Hey folks, Dr. Dave Peralt here, environmental science professor at the University of Lynchburg. Hope you all are doing well. Our holiday break is quickly winding down. Classes start a week from today on January 25th. As most of you know, today is Martin Luther King Day, so I hope that all of you take a few moments and just reflect on Dr. King and his contributions and his legacy and his impacts on all of us. You're getting this email because you're enrolled in ENVS 112, either in section C or D. I'm focusing on the lecture part of the class, which meets online on Tuesday, Thursdays at 10 o'clock. Those of you that enrolled in section C, you have lab on Monday afternoons, and you have received a separate email from me. I'm the one who teaches that lab. Those of you that are enrolled in section D have lab on Thursday afternoons, and Dr. Jennifer Stiersky teaches that section of lab. So hopefully she will be reaching out to you regarding that. But I can still answer questions regarding labs for both sections. What we're looking at right now is the class Moodle page, basic information, what I just mentioned about the meeting times for both lecture and lab. I also have the link for our Google Meets. This is again for lecture only. Your labs will have a different Google Meet URL. As you scroll down, there's information pertaining to the class syllabus and also our lecture schedule, which I'm not going to worry about right now. We'll get into that next week. Just in general, though, my goal, and this is the first time I've taught this course for a full semester in this environment dealing with COVID, is to meet synchronously online on Tuesdays and then to potentially meet on Thursdays or to allow you to work on your smart book assignments on Thursdays. And that would just depend on how things go on Tuesdays. So, excuse me. The key, as you guys I'm sure have learned, is to be flexible. We just got to roll with things and just kind of see how things develop. Um, as you are preparing for class, we are using a smart book, which allows you to have access to the textbook that we're using. This saves you a lot of money, makes it convenient for you, and it saves resources. There's no hard copy. There is a lecture notes manual that is also required for the class. This has the notes from our PowerPoint lectures that I'll be giving each week and can help you follow along and also help you with the testing as we go through those tests. So you are automatically enrolled in the SmartBook access when you are enrolled in this class. I'll go over how to get into that in class next week. The lecture notes manual will be sent to you sometime over the next week or two, and I'm still working on all the details on the logistics of that. So really, the only thing you need to worry about for this class right now is to um, make sure that you are able to at least have the info provided to you for those two textbook resources and be prepared to show up online synchronously next Tuesday morning, January 26th at 10 o'clock. And I will be sending out an email, an email reminder prior to that. You are welcome to hit me up with email questions prior to our meeting. Let me know what's going on, any issues, any travel problems, and so on. Just the big picture: lectures online, labs. Depending on your instructor, will either be synchronous online or some face-to-face. I'm not 100% sure how Dr. Stiersky is handling hers. I know my Monday labs, whenever safely possible, we're going to be meeting on campus face-to-face and doing things outside too. So following COVID guidelines and keeping us all healthy. So enjoy your final week of vacation. Safe travels as you return to Lynchburg from wherever you are. I look forward to meeting and working with all of you over the next few months, getting to know you better, sharing my passions for the environment, and educating you on really some really important issues dealing with our planet. So stay tuned, and we'll be in touch soon. Thanks a lot.